In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Clipboard on iPhone. Alright, I'm on the home screen right now and we're going to go through a couple of simple ways to access what you've copied, since iPhone doesn't really have a visible Clipboard app like some other devices. So first, let's start with the easiest method. I'm opening the Notes app on my iPhone. Once I'm inside, I'm going to tap on a blank note so I can demonstrate how copying and pasting works. Now, I'm going to select some text by double tapping on it. When I do that, a small menu pops up right above the selection. At this point, I'm tapping on copy. This sends the text to your clipboard, which is basically a temporary storage area in your iPhone. Now, to use what I copied, I'm tapping on another line inside the Notes app. When I hold down on the empty space, the same menu appears and I'm selecting paste. You'll see the text immediately appear, meaning it was successfully stored in your clipboard and retrieved. I like to pause here because this is the main way most people use the clipboard without realizing it. Anything you copy, text, links, or even images in some apps temporarily stays in the clipboard until you copy something else. Now let's move on to a more advanced method, which is using the Shortcuts app to actually view your clipboard content. So I'm going back to the home screen and opening the Shortcuts app. Once I'm inside Shortcuts, I'm going to tap the plus icon at the top right corner to create a new shortcut. This opens a blank automation setup where we can build a custom tool. Now I'm tapping on new shortcut at the top and I'm going to rename it so it's easier to find later. So I'm selecting rename and I'm naming it something like clipboard copy, just so I know exactly what it does. Now I'm tapping on the search bar at the bottom to start adding actions. I'm typing get clipboard and once I see it, I'm tapping on it. This action pulls whatever is currently saved in your clipboard. Next, I'm adding another action. So I'm searching for show result and I'm tapping on it as well. This step is important because it will display the clipboard content on your screen whenever you run the shortcut. Now I'm tapping done at the top right corner to save everything. At this point the shortcut is fully created. Now whenever I run this shortcut it will instantly show me whatever is currently stored in my clipboard. This is especially useful if you copy a lot of text and want a quick way to check what's still saved. And that's it. You used Notes to copy and paste content, and then you created a shortcut using Get Clipboard and Show Result to view your clipboard anytime. Now you have two simple ways to access and manage what you copy on your iPhone.